like me, I bet you were thinking like, child, what is a capsule wardrobe? And I used to think like, why you want to walk around with all the more boring colors on? Don't nobody want to just walk around in black, blue, white, and brown. But child, I had to go and do my research, and that is not what a capsule wardrobe is. So, baby, if that is something that you are interested in or maybe even struggling with, then this is the video for you. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? I'm Shauna T, and over here on this channel we talk all things plus size fashion, Jesus, and just living life over 40 and enjoying it as well. And then honey, we talk about everything in between too. Okay, so do me a couple, 2-3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below, baby, because I am going to talk back. Now, first things first, cousin, let's look at what is a capsule wardrobe. And if y'all was anything like me, honey, I was like, why are you gonna walk around in all these boring colors? Child, add a little color off in it, a little spice to it. But after doing my research and actually building my own personal capsule wardrobe, this is what a capsule wardrobe is. It is simply just a minimum collection of clothing items that you can go in and mix and match across different seasons. But of course, right now it's summertime, and oh honey, it is a little hot, okay? And also the goal of a capsule wardrobe is actually to make getting dressed a lot easier, and also taking the stress out of getting dressed, because we all be standing up in our closet like, I ain't even got nothing to wear. What am I gonna wear today? And guess what? These basic items and basic pieces and basic colors is going to allow you to, guess what, to build 80 plus outfit combinations, y'all. And I think you guys are going to love that, because it's going to help you just overall, so that way you're not just in chaos every time it's time to get ready to go somewhere. So I bet you're thinking like, why does even having a capsule wardrobe matter? Baby, because we busy. We out here doing all the things. We working, you building businesses, you're taking care of kids, you're taking care of grandkids, you may be taking care of a parent, all of the things, right? So having a capsule wardrobe is going to help you save time in the morning, and most importantly, it's going to make you feel so much more confident, and you're going to look so much more put together when you get ready to step out of that door. And then you're not going to have decision fatigue, because y'all know how we get. We be going somewhere, and then we be wanting to look cute, we want to look put together, we want to look comfortable all at the same time, we want to look sexy, and then sometimes it just don't ever work out, and we may just wind up throwing on anything just to hurry up to get on out the door. And then we get to where we're going, and we may be tugging or pulling on our clothes, either pulling up the clothes if it's too big, or maybe just kind of sitting down because we're really not confident in our clothing that you're actually wearing. And so as I was building my capsule wardrobe, I was like, ding, 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 ding. This is why we need a capsule wardrobe. Cousins, so here are the 23 pieces that you're actually going to need to build this capsule wardrobe. We're going to start with dresses first. So you're going to need 3 dresses. A black one, you're going to need a tan or a brown neutral color dress, and then also a sage color dress as well. And then when it comes to tops, you're going to need 9 tops. You're going to need a navy tank top, a black tank top, a white tank top, and then you're also going to need a black t-shirt, crew neck or V-neck. You're going to need a white and also a tan and or navy t-shirt as well. And then next, you have got to have a button-down white shirt. It is a must that you have one. And then also going in and getting a striped shirt as well. Now this striped shirt can be a navy striped, it can be black and white striped, it can even be brown and white striped shirt that is actually a button down. Now let's talk about these bottoms, okay y'all? You're gonna need 7 pair of bottoms. Now with these bottoms, I added 2 pair of jeans, okay? Because you can have your wide leg jeans, right? with no distress or no tears in them. But honey, I needed a little bit of flavor. Give me some distressed jeans, honey, a little flavor in my clothes. So that's why I said 2 pair of jeans. Next, you're going to need your black and white trousers. Also, I recommend a navy pair of trousers just as an honorable mention. And then also your tan or neutral color trousers as well. Then you're also going to need your shorts. Now, your denim shorts. Now, the denim shorts that I'm going to show y'all, honey, these is booty shorts. So if you're not ready to be a little fast in your capsule wardrobe, then this one may not be for you, okay? But a good pair of denim shorts. Also, some black and also tan shorts as well. Next on the list, you're going to need your outerwear or what you're going to layer your pieces with. You're going to need you a brown or tan colored blazer, a denim jacket, and also if you have a black blazer as well, or either a black denim jacket. Now, those are all of the pieces that you're going to need to build this massive wardrobe, all right? Now, honey, let's get ready to have a little fun, okay? So the first look is we're going to look at the black dress. So this particular dress that you guys are looking at is a dress that I picked up from Target, okay? It is a spaghetti strap dress. It doesn't have any pockets or anything like that, but it does have excellent stretch. So I've already had this in my closet. Now I went in and I decided to go in and pair this with the white button-down shirt. I threw on the colorful tie that you guys have seen here on the channel before, grabbed my bag, honey, and threw on me some glasses. Now, you cannot tell me this dress did not transform versus from just wearing it regularly with the straps on it. And then, of course, I'm also showing you a couple of other ways that you can go in and style the dress with the brown blazer, also the denim jacket. And then again, the accessories definitely matter because it helps bring out the look in the dress. And you can literally wear this dress 5 days a week and nobody would know that this is the same exact dress. I mean, you gotta wash and dry at home, right? Or you can either pull it in the cleaners. I'm just saying. Let's get off into these black trousered pants. So y'all, these pants, I actually picked them up from Walmart. I am wearing a size 24 in these pants. Now, of course, I gave you just the regular casual looks with matching the black pants with the tank tops, the black and also the white tank top. But honey, of course, we go in and we add a little jazz to it as well when you put on the white button-down shirt and then you add a tie. This is more for a elevated event that you may be going to, or you can even take this to work or maybe even to church as well. Then of course you go in and put the denim jacket with the black trousers. Now I just kept on my black tank, but you can definitely go in and switch this out for the white tank, or if you want to do a tan tank, just kind of depending on what type of shoes that you're going to have on. Now let's get off into this vest. Now y'all, with the vest actually came from Walmart, which is a recent purchase as well. I got the vest in a size 24 from the Scoop brand. Now the vest and the black pants did not come together, but when I tell y'all these two linens go together real bad, they go together real bad. It's like a perfect match. So I definitely recommend, if nothing else, you pick up these two because you can definitely mix and match this vest and also these pants with probably things you already have in your closet. Here we go for the shorts for all my cousins like to be outside. Ow. So y'all, these shorts, I picked these shorts up from Walmart because I actually did not have any tan or neutral color shorts, okay? And as y'all can see, I styled them a couple of different ways. Styled it with the blue and white striped shirt, also with the blue tank top. I grabbed my Louis crossbody bag, put on me a hat. Like that's just like, oh, I'm finna go outside for a couple 2-3 seconds on a Saturday. Now I also threw in this denim look that I've actually worn before because I felt like it went perfect with this particular capsule wardrobe. So y'all, this skirt is just a denim skirt, and then I went in and put on a blazer with this skirt. So I thought this was really cute to go in and mix with this. Now you can definitely take this skirt and just take off the blazer, and, you know, throw you on some sneakers instead of having on some boots. Cousins, let me tell y'all this. I have built a capsule wardrobe guide just for you, and you can actually access it in the link down below. It's just different combinations that you can go in and mix and match. It's also giving you the colors for your capsule wardrobe, because I do understand that everyone's style is different. You may not want to wear a tank top, you may prefer a t-shirt. So I'm recommending that you do grab the capsule wardrobe guide, so that way when you're out shopping and getting your pieces, you know exactly what you're looking for to go in and build your capsule wardrobe. These white pants, honey. The white pants, y'all, these are actually from Walmart as well. The black vest that you can see, I went in and paired it with. I also did it with just the tank, a crossbody bag, and also a hat. I also went in and paired like the brown blazer with the pants, and then kept on the blue tank. And then of course gave it a more casual look with the pants and also the button down striped shirt. And I threw on my blue New York hat just to give it a little something to go in and play with. So when I say that you can mix and match these outfits so many different ways, you absolutely can. When I tell y'all I built over 80 plus outfits, just going in and intertwining these colors and outfits and adding different accessories to them. Now y'all, I do have a couple of honorable mentions that I want to throw off in here, and those are dresses, because honey, you cannot have a capsule wardrobe without no dresses. So dress number one is actually a gray dress that I picked up from Pretty Little Things from over a year ago. And I felt like gray would be great to go in and add to your capsule wardrobe, whether you decided to go in and get some gray trousers, or maybe even add a gray skirt to your capsule wardrobe, because gray is a neutral as well, and you can mix it and match it with so many different colors, just like black you can, or just like white. Another color is this dress here that I've had for quite some time, which is like a sagey green type dress that I picked up from Pretty Little Things. Now I think this dress is perfect for your capsule wardrobe. It's a casual dress, but it can also be elevated when you go in and put on heels too, y'all. So even like I said, if you get the sagey looking shorts or trousers or a skirt, I think this would be a great color to add. And then last but not least, of course, honey, we're going to do a tan or neutral color brown dress as well. Perfect to go in and throw with your capsule wardrobe, and you can throw on a black blazer with this. You can throw on a cap if you're going for more of a casual style, throw on sneakers. So many different ways, y'all, you can go in and style this. Like, I cannot say enough. When I say 80, 90 plus outfit combinations, I absolutely mean that. Now, really quickly, we're going to go in and talk about accessories that you can add to your capsule wardrobe. And what does that actually look like? So for me, when it comes to accessories, y'all, a lot of these bags I've already had. Is a black bag. I love a good statement piece, okay? Love a good statement piece. And then also maybe a cream or a white top handle bag. I think that would be great as well. And then of course you're just adding crossbody bags to this, because a crossbody bag is definitely going to kind of give it more of a casual feel versus you having maybe a statement bag as well. So the colors that I'm going to recommend is going to be a gray, a brown, a black, or maybe even a sagey green bag if you can find one to go in and make it a crossbody. I recommend actually going to Coach and Aldo have some really good crossbody bags, y'all, which I have those linked down below as well. All right, cousins, so as always, you guys can shop the closet either by scanning the QR code right here on the screen, or you can shop any of the links that are down below. And remember to grab the capsule wardrobe guide that I actually went in and built just for you guys. This is just a guide to be able to help you go in and build your wardrobe according to your own personal style, which I think that y'all will absolutely love. Because I thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure, honey, that you like, share, and subscribe. And as I tell you guys all the time, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, girl, and make sure that you own it. You want to know why? Because you belong there.